SPEC Mix, your national source for high-quality factory-produced cementitious products and safe, efficient silo delivery systems for the construction industry. This is SPEC Mix every time. Our products are architecturally beautiful, easy to use, and engineered to last. This is a demonstration of the assembly of a SPEC Mix silo. Offered in many sizes and configurations, the SPEC Mix silo is the cornerstone of our bulk delivery systems. Each silo is a highly versatile tool that will increase a contractor's level of efficiency, productivity, and above all, safety on every job site. For greatest efficiency, place the silos near your work area so as your crew moves around the job site, the silos move as well, making the most of your people and equipment. All silos operate easily and smoothly, eliminating the heavy lifting and twisting associated with the production of materials. These are the steps to follow when assembling a SPEC Mix silo. Silo site selection. Select a position on the job site where the ground is dry, compacted, level and stable, and as close to the work as practical. To ensure the stability of the erected silo, dry, compacted, level ground must be available for setup, or the silo should not be erected. Footpads should be constructed of 3 separate pieces of 24 by 24 inch treated plywood that are 3/4 inch thick and laminated together with screws or 24 by 24 by 1 inch steel pads. Discard footpads when punctured. Each silo requires 4 footpads. Place the silo on the best approved location. Silo safety ring installation. Remove the safety ring from the safety ring holder on the silo cone. Put on an OSHA-approved safety harness. Climb the silo ladder while it is still folded up and the silo is sitting on the ground. Place the safety ring on the loading platform and climb onto the loading platform. Place the safety ring on top of the silo. Once on the loading platform, attach the safety chains on the opening to the silo platform. Attach the rope on the safety harness to the safety harness hook on the top of the silo. Climb onto the top of the silo to position the safety ring. Remove the 2 pins from the receiver posts for the safety ring. Lift the safety ring over the posts and slide the safety ring onto the posts. Line up the safety pin holes and pin the safety ring to the safety ring posts. To install the blue dust cover, drape the dust cover over the safety ring. Align the dust cover so the Velcro opening faces the loading platform. To attach the dust cover, remove the safety pins from their holes and run the pins through the first grommet in the dust cover. Run the pin through the safety pin hole in the safety ring. Then run the safety pin through the second hole in the dust cover and clasp the safety pin. Carefully climb from the top of the silo back onto the loading platform and remove the safety harness hook from the top of the silo. Remove the safety chains from the opening in the loading platform and climb the ladder back down the silo to the ground, maintaining 3-point contact. Replace the safety chains on the opening of the loading platform. Positioning the silo legs and footpads. Lift the silo approximately 2 feet. Remove each footpad by loosening the footpad bolt and turn the footpad 180 degrees to provide proper stability. Replace the footpad bolt. Unclasp the ladder chain and unfold the ladder, allowing admittance to the safety railed platform when accessed. Remove the safety pins from the safety pin hole on the silo leg pins. Lift on the footpad and pull the silo leg pins from the leg pin holes. Bend at the knees and lower the footpad to the ground, keeping your feet clear of the footpad. Silo handle assembly. Lift the silo to approximately 5 feet. Remove the silo handle from its transportation location by removing the locking pin and sliding the handle from the handle guide above the fork pocket. Remove the safety pins from the silo handle stabilizing bracket and move the stabilizing bracket into place. Pin the stabilizing brackets into position on both sides of the rear of the silo slide gate. Run the silo handle into the stabilizing bracket and pin the handle to the stabilizing bracket. Move the short arm connected to the silo handle to the slide gate and pin it into position to the tab on the slide gate. Pull the handle to ensure proper gate function and close the gate. Make sure the gate closes tight, allowing access for a padlock if desired. Pinning the silo legs. Slowly raise the silo. Pin the silo legs at your desired height by sliding the leg pins into the holes. As the silo is being raised, the holes may come into position at different times. Pin the first holes in position and work your way around the silo, slowly lifting the silo until all pins are in place. Once the legs are pinned, replace the safety pins through the holes on the inside of the leg pins and lock the pins by snapping the round ring over the leg pin. Holding the handle, rotate the slide gate 360 degrees. If the gate does not rotate easily, grease can be added at the grease zerts above the slide gate. Setting the silo. Before setting the silo, make sure that the foot pads are in place and centered under the silo feet. Lift up on the ladder to prevent it from being damaged and slowly lower the silo to the ground. Once the silo is resting on the foot pads, set the ladder on the ground. Tilt the forks forward down slightly until they're floating in the fork pockets of the silo and slowly back the forks out of the fork pockets. This demonstration of SPEC mix silo assembly is intended to give you a basic understanding of step-by-step procedures used to operate the SPEC mix silo in a safe manner on the job site. It is not intended to replace the detailed information provided in the SPEC mix silo operation safety manual. It is important that the SPEC mix silo operator fully understand the silo operating and safety procedures. For more detailed information on each subject, refer to the bilingual SPEC mix silo operations and safety manual. This has been a demonstration of the assembly of a SPEC mix silo. SPEC mix, designed to keep you going, keep you moving, keep you working every time.